Hey everybody, I got here is a Dell E2414H and I'm gonna show you how to remove the stand on this one so you can wall mount it. It's pretty easy. First you need to remove all the cables in the back. You have DVI or HDMI, remove that. Then after that, if you wanna remove the stand, it's pretty easy. You just flip it over. This is very light, and there's a little button here that you can push. Let me zoom in on that one. You can see. If you can see, it's right here. This button right here. You just push on that, and this thing, the stand will come out. Okay. So I'm gonna put the camera back in the stand so I can show you. Push the button and release. Really easy. Now it's ready for wall mounting. Screws are in here. You probably can use the screws, or you can use the screw that came with your wall mount. That's how you remove the stand from the Dell monitor. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.